Hi guys, it's me again, your Tinderong Viajero. For today's travel, we are going to Basud, Camarines Norte. I haven't really had a chance to explore the beauty of the place, but this time, that's what we are going to do, and I'm very excited. So, what are we waiting for? Tara na! Let's go to Basud! Welcome to Basud, Camarines Norte. Basud, just like Talisay, is not just a gateway to the capital municipality of Camarines Norte, dahil there are different tourist destinations in the area that are just waiting to be discovered, and that's what we are going to do. In terms of agriculture, this place has approximately 10,000 hectares of coconut trees, and copra is their primary product and source of income. But it's not just about their agricultural area that makes it more exciting. Ready ka na? Tara! Let's begin with their well-known Bundok Suso ng Dalaga. First thing to do before you climb up is to register at the Barangay Hall of Tuaca in Basud. And trust me, visiting their site is totally worth it. Napaka-presko ng lugar and ang scenery, perfect. Kahit tumambay ako dito maghapon, walang problema. Sabi ng guide namin, it would only take an hour to reach the top, so tara let's! #go hiking. If you are really looking for an adventure, then I would highly recommend this place. You just need to come as early as possible and don't forget to bring your water and foods, because this hiking wouldn't be that easy as you think it is. Also, according to the tourist guide, they would normally clean this place during Lenten season, pero mukhang napaga kami. But since here we are, let's just do our best and enjoy the moment. Mukhang susuko na kami. As a traveler, it's very important to know your limitation and understand when to stop. And I think it's really the right time to do that. So, we were planning to go up hanggang sa dulo pero hindi na talaga kaya. Marami pang mga halaman na kailangan pang putulin para ma-clear yung path. Unfortunately, hanggang dito na lang yung kaya namin. We are more than half na. And dun sa additional, dun sa remaining half, anong tawag dun sa pataas? Patakad? Pahon. Paahon. Saan takad? Saan nakuha yun? So, paahon na siya. And mas nakaka-exhaust. Kaya, yan, we have decided na dito na lang. Pahinga na lang muna kami dito and just enjoy the view kung hanggang saan yung kaya namin. Hindi mo namin kinaya ngayon, I am sure that one of you can do it and I am very excited to see that video. Yeah! Don't worry, I'll definitely come back. And by that time, I'll make sure that I'm more than ready. Alright, baba na tayo. Next destination for today, Mangcamagong Boulevard. Tara na! Welcome to Barangay Mangcamagong. Mangcamagong is one of the well-known barangays in Basud situated along coast of San Miguel Bay. One of the tourist attractions in this area is their Mangcamagong Boulevard. Its combined perfectly textured mountains and remarkable sea view makes its appearance distinctive. And that would surely make you fall in love with the place. Wait, travel would be a lot more better if there were someone from the team singing, so let me take this opportunity and I'll sing for you.
colors and promises. How to be brave? How can I love when I'm afraid to fall? But watching you stand alone, all of my doubt suddenly goes away somehow.